On the sloping topography of the site, a viewing deck with a veranda and pool faces the Jurumirim Reservoir, located about 186 miles from São Paulo, Brazil. Perpendicular to the viewing deck lies a gray metallic prismatic volume, measuring approximately 26 by 115 feet, elevated about 24 inches above the natural ground. Designed by Sergio Sampaio Archi Tectônica, the Avaré House occupies the upper part of a sloped strip of land bordering the reservoir. The prismatic volume houses the home's interior spaces, living room, kitchen, and bedrooms, arranged in a modular floor plan. The entire structure is built using CLT, cross-laminated timber, wood panels, with modular pieces approximately 4 by 9 feet, defining the configuration of the interior spaces. To protect the veranda and living room from excessive sunlight and provide shelter from the rain, an 85-foot-long arched roof made of glulam, glued laminated timber, was created, covered with a gray TPO, thermoplastic polyolefin, membrane over metal tiles. This centerpiece of the composition emerges at the entrance facade and car shelter, extending over the house and ending with an 18-foot overhang at the alignment of the pool's projection on the opposite side of the prism. Underneath this concrete platform are the boat garage, storage room, and mechanical equipment room. Natural light and cross ventilation are ensured through crystal louvered skylights in the bathrooms and large openings framed by sliding aluminum windows with laminated glass. The perimeter of the prism is clad in ventilated facades, featuring pre-painted floor-to-ceiling metal trays set about 2 inches away from the exterior wall, contributing to the building's thermal and acoustic insulation and moisture control. The large arched roof is supported by only 4 delicate trapezoidal concrete pillars, 2 on each side of the prism, that transfer loads directly to the foundations. Exposed steel tie rods for bracing and reinforcements at the joints add expressiveness to the sophisticated structural logic of the construction.